Hey everyone, in this session I'm going to talk about how we can select multiple visuals at the same time using rectangular lasso in Power BI desktop. So this is the new feature that is rolled out by Microsoft during April 2020 update. So make sure that you have updated your Power BI desktop with the latest version of April 2020. So now let's get started. So this is my Power BI report, and as you know that when we are performing the designing, there is a need to select the multiple visual or select across the visual at the same time. So at that time this rectangular lasso help a lot and make us work makes our work very easier. So now let's get started. So let's say for an example, currently this is my Power BI report. My Power BI report is looking like this, and now I want to select across these three visuals. So how can I do that? So make put your cursor on the canvas and drag over here. So you can see that this rectangular lasso is being created, and you can see that the visuals available to that rectangular lasso has been highlighted inside the rectangular, and you can see that I have selected three visuals using this rectangular lasso. Now one more thing, now let's say if I want to select the another two visuals, how can we do that? So in order to do that, press Ctrl key or a Shift key and create the second rectangular lasso over here. So you can see that another two visualization have also been selected over here. Also one more thing, let's say for an example, with this you want to select the specific visuals over here. So press the Ctrl key and select the visual. So that visual is also been selected over here. Now let's say if you do not want this visual as a part of rectangular lasso, so just press Ctrl key and just select that section again over here. So this will be deselected. So you can see that this section has been deselected. Now one more thing, if your Power BI report has any grouping of the visualization over here, so let's say if you have grouped two or three visuals over here, so at this moment it is not possible to select only specific visual from that particular group. A rectangular lasso will select the entire group at once, right? So this is one thing that you need to consider. And one more thing that I wanted to add here, that this rectangular lasso section currently at this moment doesn't automatically scroll if your screen size is large. So let's say for example, I'm pressing Ctrl key and I'm adding my rectangular lasso over here. So you can see that here there is a need to scroll down the page, but it doesn't scroll down automatically, this thing. So this is one limitation, and let's hope Microsoft will remove this limitation in the upcoming updates. So definitely this is the amazing feature, and we can select across the visual using this rectangular lasso very easily and very quickly. Hope you love this feature. If you like this feature, share your opinion with me in the comment section. If you have any question, add your question in the comment section. If you have any doubts related to this concept, you can email me at dhruvinsha16@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me on +919537981467. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. If you wish to receive daily notification from my WhatsApp number, fill the form and you will be receiving the daily notification on your WhatsApp number from my channel. Stay connected with me, stay at home, have a great day, goodbye.